Okay, for lesson 4, I'm going to show you just a simple 2-string scale pattern. And these notes are pretty essential to a lot of basic beginner songs. If you've ever picked up any of the Guitar Method 1 books you might find at a local store, these are the first couple of strings and the first few notes that you'll learn. And basically, it's pretty easy because we're going to play the same frets on each of the first 2 strings. I'm going to start on the 2nd string open, that's the note B. C at the 1st fret, notice I'm playing it with my 1st finger. D at the 3rd fret with my 3rd finger. And then onto the 1st string, open, E, 1st fret is F, 3rd fret is G. You do want to learn to memorize at least some of the basic note names on the guitar. I want you to work on the scale this way. If we just play it from the low note to the high note, okay? That's just a way to get started, and it'd be helpful if you said the names out loud to yourself to get used to them. B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay? Once you have that basically down, I want you to go back and forth from the low note to the high note and back again, and then just keep going round and round. Like that. Now you want to do that repeatedly. Notice I don't double up any notes. When I get to the top, I don't hit the G twice. I didn't hit it at the end and then hit it again to start going back. A lot of people do that. I prefer that you play the notes once each only. Okay? You might also notice, or you might know a little bit about picking. We'll get into some picking exercises. When I do this, I'm using something called alternate picking. So I'm going down, up, down, up, down, up. We'll do some picking exercises in just a little bit. Do it whatever way you can, though, because we're focusing on the left hand. So that little scale is something you should work on a little bit. All right? That's lesson 4.